Hey guys, Rachel here. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and join my family. I'm into a lot of motherhood things. I have a dog, I have cats. I enjoy everything lifestyles. So just go ahead and join my family for a few vlogs and whatnot. And if you've already been here before, welcome back and thank you for tuning into this video. I promised this video to be one of the first, and I never did it. It's going to be Novelle's nursery or young child tour, because I still don't consider her a toddler. She's only 18 months. Well, she'll be 18 months tomorrow, the 31st January. Whatever. But we're just going to go ahead and her room's right here, and I'm standing in front of our window. But we're just going to go ahead and we're going to go straight to the video, and I'm going to kind of talk a little bit about certain things and why they were put in there. And then at the very end, I'll let you guys know what I found out at the dentist's office today for myself, not for Novelle, but for myself, because I'm very upset about it. But okay, if you want to keep watching, go ahead and stick straight to the video. Okay, so going straight into the room, we don't have anything on the door, but we're going to, and it's very chilly in here because we haven't turned our heater on in a long time because we don't use this room. And we are on a cold front vortex thing right now, where it's supposed to get to be like -55 tonight and tomorrow. So we have like 4 minutes, and I'll go over that a little bit too. But as soon as you walk in, these boards right here are for my the twin bed that I have for her, but they're still sitting in here for now. They have to be taken to Colt's parents' house and put in thing. But anyway, we have like a little rustic lantern for her right here. And it's like a candle warmer. We have her Elmo from Grandpa, Colt's grandfather. We have Minnie. She plays peekaboo. And then if you look over here, the light switch. These are all Paw Patrol. And I can link in the bar where we got them from. There's Girl Power. We just had this Love, and this is just something I got from Walmart, and I just taped it on for now because it wouldn't stick. Underneath, we have a unicorn picture. I've had that since I was younger, and it's funny too because I never planned unicorn around her birthday or anything, and then it just became a unicorn, and then I remembered I had that picture, so we put it in here. And this underneath, it's just her Infantino carrier, my birth pillow, and a couple blankets. Her shoes, like I had already said. We have a bunch of Paw Patrol stickers in the back, and it's mainly Skye and Everest. And then if we turn all the way, this is like exactly as soon as you walk in the room, this is what you see. And on the bottom is all her books and a few other things. And her 2 bedtime books. This is what Colt's mom made her for Christmas. This is one of her gifts. And inside is just a few small things. This was her necklace that she had, a bracelet, her Paw Patrol necklace, and a few things in here. We got her a charm bracelet. Okay, so we'll just move around this way around the entire room. Okay, so as you can see, these are all like her stuffed animals, toys, whatnot, books on the bottom, and it's a little bit messy, but that's okay. This bottom drawer, because we just have this little thing, and I believe we got this at Walmart for like $10, I want to say. We just have hats, we have a bunch of bows, we have gloves, and sorry for my voice shaking, it is freezing in here, like really cold. That's why we leave the door closed at all times. She's got these for Christmas. She's got some hats. She's got some, a bunch of hats in the bottom. So, but some clips. We're just going to close that up. This is the diaper drawer. And then we just have her little, it says poop on it because we've used it on her butt once when she was little. But she has a few pairs of underwear for when she's ready to start. And then this one's just her pajama drawer. We've been going through a lot of her clothes too because some things don't fit anymore. We've been giving them to a baby in need. So this is just her monkey that we got her. And then Auntie Ashlyn went ahead and made her a tutu. And then just a headband because we thought it was cute. Then if you come through, don't mind these. They're just sitting there. This is my dresser though. It wouldn't fit in our room, so I had to put it in here. And then we just have like a few pillows just for like a little bit of decoration. This is her foot. And then Grandma made the rest of it, and it was for her birthday. It's really cute. This came from a friend from her birthday. And then her onesies. This side is short sleeve and long sleeve, and this side is like tank tops and whatnot. And we just rolled them up. There's a method to it, and it makes more room. I don't remember what it's called, but I'll link it in the description bar below. Here are some pictures. This is her with Dr. Chaudry, me and her at Pumpkinville, and Colt. This is Colt's dad and her, and a few other. This right here is Grandpa, the one that she got Elmo from. This is my stepsister, Mashira, and my father. That's me and Novelle, and she was putting up the middle finger, like, screw you guys, I don't want to take a bath. And then we just come over here. These are her pants, and again, I roll them all up the same. So with the shirts, I don't roll them all up all the time, but these are her shirts. And then socks in here, toothbrushes. These were from when she was a baby, her other ones in there. This is my mom. This is her ashes. So it's this in here to basically ward off evil and whatnot. This is Novelle's memory book of all of her photos, and it just says Novelle Ruth. And we're a very redneck family, so we tried to keep Novelle kind of around it. We want to keep her growing up that way. Then we just have a few things of hers. Then we have this book, and it has a bunch of pictures of her first year. And then you just come down. This book box is actually going back in the closet. This is just extra clothes that don't fit her right now. And then this is her swing. These are just like the pieces that go on the swing that we just washed. And then there's some blankets in there. And then just here's her bed. There's a bunch of toys. And again, Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. Aunt Sue got that for her. When she opened it, she was like beyond excited. So, and she got this monkey from Build-A-Bear for her birthday. And it just sings, and it says Happy Birthday Novelle on the belly. And then we just have her Novelle. Aunt Patty or Cousin Patty made this for her for Christmas last year of 2017. So that was pretty cool. I like that a lot. Then we have the Believe in Magic with the gold. I thought the gold would be really pretty when we first moved in here before we got really anything else with the stickers. And then we have this area. Hi, guys. Here, let's move over here. This is her walker. She doesn't use it anymore, of course, but that's okay. And then this is her dresser. This knob fell off, but it's inside because, like, the screw needs to be a new one because it's stripped or whatnot, or the hole's stripped. But anyway, these two, oops, if I put my finger in there you go, right there. Those are for my mom's wedding from when I was younger, and we decided to just put those up because I thought they were really pretty with purple and pink, so I liked it, so not a bad idea. And then this is just a shirt she's going to wear tomorrow because she's going to outgrow it, and I'd rather her wear it at least one more time. Here's one of her rattles, and then she got this, the Maid of the Mist from Niagara Falls. Grammy and Grampy got it for her. The mirrors are a bit dirty. And then this is her shadow box. And as you can see, we just put some things in there for her. This was her first doctor's appointment. We got this from the hospital. From the hospital, that's her little umbilical cord. I put it in a bag so we can remember. And then we got her this and all of her other things. And then we can go down on this side. And then Grandma Morton, Colt's mom, went ahead and she burned her name into there because I thought that was really cute. And then there's just the boards here. And then this is her closet. We'll just like peek in here real quick because it's not like the best. We have some things on the top. These over here, there's like two boxes. You might not be able to see. You might have to open the other side, but they're just clothes she doesn't wear anymore. I'm not sure what this box is. It's probably junk box or from when we first started breastfeeding and I just threw stuff in there. This is just a bunch of junk stuff too. I'm going to go through it. Just clothes. And then we have all this. This bag we're saving for the next baby if we have another girl because there's a bunch of stuff we never used. Either that or we're going to take like the receiving blankets and everything from that and put it in this. And then every night when she's actually in her own bed, she can pick like which blanket she'd like to go to bed with. There's just some things. Let me just open the other side. And I like the fact that we have sliding doors because that's just awesome in my book. So there it is. And then this is part of the pack and play that we had up. But here's all her clothes. From the dress over is like 2T and she's not fully into that. And then this is all 18 months and over. But then she just has her exerciser, her beach bag that we keep packed just in case. And then this is the pack and play. And then more clothes on the bottom. So, but we can go ahead and do another rerun. But yeah, that's her room tour. There's nothing fully special about it. Like I said, this is my dresser, so we don't have to go over that. But I really like how it turned out, and I like the fact that there is more unicorn than anything in here, I believe. Well, besides Paw Patrol. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I know that it's kind of weird to see me in the mirror and talking verbally. I'm hoping, though, I'm going to get a computer when I get taxes back because I did just recently go through with them, and I will receive them on the February 5th. The only thing that was wrong about it was I didn't get my tax credit back. So for like a child, I don't know why, and it doubled from 1,000 from last year, which I didn't get it last year either. And they said it was because she was too young when she was 5 months when I filed. And then this year, they just didn't give it back to me, and it's supposed to be $2,000 this year. Apparently, I didn't get it. I don't know why. But yeah, I'll meet you guys in the living room because I'm just gonna head down there since Novelle is still sleeping on the couch. See you in a minute. Okay, so I have to be kind of quiet because she is still sleeping. She started to wake up, and I kind of just got quiet and took care of anything I had to for a few minutes so I could leave her alone so she wouldn't fully wake up. So I apologize very strongly if I'm being very quiet. So I went to the dentist today, and I was just getting an over check done for like cavities and how my teeth are actually doing. And I got told the worst news in my case ever. I might have to get braces. Like, I'm 23 years old, and they waited too long to take my 2 bottom wisdom teeth out. They got taken out last March, but they were supposed to take them out right away, and I had them in my mouth for 7 years. And they took my top one out, and they never said anything about having 3 more. So they just left them in there, and now they're telling me I have to get braces because my bottom tooth and my top tooth are crooked. 2 of them. And I'm going to have serious issues when I'm older because I have a lot of crowding because I have so many teeth. So I'll just show you an overview real quick. So I went in today preferably to get my 1 tooth filed. If you can see, this side right here curves upward and goes in. See, this is my smile. So, but this tooth and this tooth are crooked. And I just don't understand. I'm kind of worried because I never had them as a child. I never had to have them. And now that I do, I have a child, and she sometimes like has those spats where she hits and she throws a fit and whatnot. And I'm afraid she's going to hit me in the mouth because she's done it a few times. She's hit me in the nose before. Like, and she's a child. She doesn't know any better. I just kind of scold her a little bit, telling her we don't hit mommy or we don't hit daddy or whatever. Every now and again, it's funny because she doesn't mean to hit me, and then she laughs like, oh, I'm just kidding, kind of thing. And I just leave it alone. But now I'm really worried. Like, I'm devastated in a way. But it's going to be out of pocket because my insurance won't cover it because I'm over the age of 19. But I'm worried too because the electricity just went out. That's cute. Well, at least it's still light out though. That's the plus part. But now I'm a little bit worried because we're going to lose heat. And we're on a vortex thing. It's supposed to get to be negative 55 degrees tonight and tomorrow. And on the news it said that if you're outside for more than 4 minutes, that like you could freeze to death and get frostbite really bad. So that's what happens to New York State. But I'm kind of hoping that we can have like some kind of I don't know, a generator or something that they'll bring one over for our apartments because we have a bunch of people here with children, ourselves included, so hopefully we don't freeze half to death. But that noise you hear, like that chirping, is our detectors going off, and they'll go off until it comes back on. But I'm going to go ahead and end this video because I have to save my phone battery now that it went out. I'm going to call Colt and let him know. But yeah, this was just like a small update for you guys, and I will talk to you guys soon. Okay, bye. Thanks for joining in.